Alright, folks, so the truck is done, man, and I gotta give it to Poppies, bro. One, this is a very straightforward process, real easy to do. They send instructions. I will say the temperature that they recommend, with how fast this stuff's set up, I would highly suggest being under some shade or in a shed, something like that. Um, I don't got no room in the garage right now, so I couldn't pull it in and do it. Well ventilated too, because this shit is strong. But it's real simple, man. They give you the pre-cleaner, which you use this with the Scotch-Brite pads. Go over the whole truck, scuff it up, wash that off, and then I let it dry. I did that Friday afternoon. Let it dry. Came out here this morning, put the clear coat on, mixed it up. Initially, I tried to go with half, but one side of the truck, and this is a Suburban K20 85. One side of the truck took half, and I was learning as I was going. And that's another thing. It is forgiving, so you can go back over some spots, but it does set up pretty fast. So be mindful of that. Um, Other than that, like I said, straightforward. You mix it up. They send you everything. We got some aftercare products, wash and wax, and then some detailed spray ceramic with ceramic. Um, I went with the whole shebang kit, so that is enough. In the description was enough to do a full long bed C10 pickup. So I just kind of assumed that this was kind of in the same ballpark, so I went with it instead of getting the Land Shark kit. But um, I pulled it out in the sun, but oh girl shined up real nice, man, real nice. So if you've been looking at getting it, just get it. Just go ahead and get it, man. It's worth the money. It's worth every penny. Uh, it looked like a completely new truck now, even though it's the same truck. It's just that shine. It just something about it. And then in some spots, the previous owner, it has a little bit of body work on it, so them spots is a little dull, but it still got a little shine to it. It just add to the truck even more. So temporary little fix right now. We're gonna see how long it lasts. From the videos I was watching, it's a pretty good product, so it lasts pretty long, and then the upkeep of it is pretty simple. So we're gonna see where it go from here, but as of right now it looked good. I pulled it out in the sun, and then I'm kind of thinking I probably should have got the Land Shark kit, because it's a couple spots in the front that I missed, and the sun, where the sun is hitting, it's already dry, so I can't really touch it no more. You're supposed to let it cure for 24 hours, so I really can't touch it. But out here in this Vegas heat, I'm pretty sure by noon today it's gonna be set in, because it's already warming up, and it's only 8 something in the morning. But that's it for this. It was real simple, straight to the point. I got some time lapses and videos of me putting it on. I'm gonna throw that all in here. But yeah, man, this is a weekend project for the Squarebody. I got to get this lift kit on here so I can get them 37s on here, but I'm still on the fence about swapping the motor. But I can't do that right now because I got this going on. But as soon as this is done, some will be coming down the line for the Squarebody. But until the end, we just go, keep the 350 healthy and keep trucking along. So that's it, man. I'm about to put these videos in here and let y'all see the process.
Alright folks, so we got it mixed. We about to go to work. We got everything done. We about to see what happens. This can either go one or two ways. Either really good or really bad. I ain't got that much time either. The sun done start coming over. I'm trying to see where I want to start. I'll start over here. All right, man, here we go. I think I put too much on the pad. Oh yeah. Way too much on the pad. Oh yeah, this was a good decision. God damn.